Hi students, let us learn about fractions. What are fractions? A fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. So this is the main meaning of a fraction. A fraction, that is a number, it represents a part of a whole. The whole may be a single object or a group of objects. In order to make you understand what is a fraction, there an example is given. Suppose Ramesh has a chocolate and we want to equally share with his friend Amit. He will divide the chocolate into two pieces and keep one piece with him and give another piece to Amit. So basically they each have got one part out of two parts. That is 1/2 of the chocolate. Similarly, if they have another Suresh also, then they will divide chocolate in 3 equal parts. Then each of them will have 1 out of 3 parts. That is 1/3 of the chocolate. So this is the use of fraction. When a whole is divided into parts, we represent that number in the form of a fraction. Here a fraction is given. This fraction top number is 4 and bottom number is 7. Top number is called numerator, bottom number is called denominator, and the middle line is called vinculum. This fraction can be read as different ways, like 4/7 or 4/7 or 4/7. These are the ways to read this fraction. This fraction represents 4 parts out of 7 parts. Here another fraction is given, 20/57. So here numerator, denominator, and the line, everything is explained very well. The whole thing is called fraction. Now let us learn about type of fractions. Mainly there are 3 types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed number. A proper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is less and the denominator is more. There is an example for proper fraction, 3/5. Here numerator has to be smaller than the denominator. Like these fractions are known as proper fraction. Next is improper fraction. Improper fraction is just opposite to proper fraction. Here numerator has to be bigger, denominator has to be smaller. Like these fractions are called improper fraction. Next is mixed fraction. In the mixed fraction, there will be a whole number and a fraction will be combined with the whole number. Mixed fraction is also called mixed number. Dear students, this is one of the important fraction that you need to learn. Here there will be a whole number and near to that there will be a fraction number. In between there will not be any symbol, but actually there is plus sign, addition sign is there in between them, but we don't write it. So this is a mixed fraction and it has to be read as 2 whole 1/3, 2 whole 1/3, or 1/3, or 1/3. Any way you can choose. So we learned the type of fraction. There are 3 types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed number. Each of examples are given. Other than these 3 type of fraction, there are 2 more types. One is like fractions and another one is unlike fractions. Like fractions means the fractions which are having same denominator. They are called like fractions. For example, here 4 fractions are given: 3/5, 6/5, 2/5, 7/5. In these fractions the denominator is same, that is 5. That is why they are called like fractions. Definition of unlike fractions: the fractions which are having different denominators. Now for example, there are 4 fractions. One is 3/5, 6/7, 2/9, 7/2. In these fractions the denominators are different. That is why they are called unlike fractions. So in the picture wise, like fractions and unlike fractions are explained. Like fraction, you can see 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Every denominators are same. Unlike fractions, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. The denominators are totally different. I hope you have understood the term fractions and its types. Thank you.